Welcome to my channel C for Chiku.
India is our motherland. With power in her steady hand. Today we celebrate our pride. With peace and joy on every side. Our flag is flying very high. Up against the blue sky. Saffron, white, and green so bright. Fill our hearts with pure delight. We promise to be good and true. In everything we say and do. As we stand brave and tall. Happy Republic Day to all. Happy Republic Day to all.
Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel C for Chiku.